A digital radiography system consists of a source of radiation, usually X-ray, a digital detector array, and a table to position samples. Computers and software are used for data acquisition, image processing, image display, and data storage. A digital radiography system consists of a source of radiation, usually X-ray, a digital detector array, and a table to position samples. Computers and software are used for data acquisition, image processing, image display, and data storage. The X-ray tube consists of a vacuum chamber, a filament, the cathode, that emits electrons, a target, the anode, and high-voltage generators. The cathode has negative potential. It consists of a tungsten filament and electron focusing mechanisms. When an electric current is passed through the filament, it gets heated and emits electrons. Electrons are accelerated and pulled toward the positively charged anode. The anode has a positive potential with respect to the cathode. The accelerated electrons suddenly stop when hitting the target, emitting X-rays. X-ray spectrum consists of continuous radiation, Bremsstrahlung radiation, overlapped with characteristic peaks. The area in the target where electrons hit is called the focal spot, and it should be as small as possible to get a sharp image. Only useful X-rays pass through the window, which is made up of beryllium. Soft X-rays are filtered out to reduce noise and improve safety. X-rays are harmful to human beings. X-ray systems are regulated by the Atomic Energy Regulatory Board in India. Follow safety precautions as instructed by the Radiological Safety Officer. Radiation dose can be minimized by the radiation protection philosophy of time, distance, and shielding. Nanofocus X-ray sources take precision even further, with focal spots smaller than 1 micrometer. This ultra-fine resolution enables imaging at the microscopic level, making it possible to see fine cracks or features in tiny components like microchips or biological samples. These sources are often used in advanced research labs and industries where extreme detail and accuracy are critical. A manipulator in digital radiography, DR, and computerized tomography, CT, is a mechanical device used to precisely position and move the object being scanned. Its main purpose is to rotate, tilt, or shift the object so that X-ray images can be taken from multiple different directions without manually adjusting the setup. A digital detector array, DDA, consists of a grid of pixel-based sensors that directly convert incoming X-rays into digital signals. In DR, DDAs capture 2D projection images with high resolution and low noise, enabling real-time image processing and reduced radiation dose. In CT, the array collects multiple cross-sectional data slices as the X-ray source rotates around the object, which are then reconstructed into detailed 3D images. Their fast response, high sensitivity, and compact form factor make DDAs essential for modern, efficient medical and industrial imaging. A digital radiography system consists of a source of radiation,